Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 with the brand new facelift and interior. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. AT4 now on the door cards. Again, different trim, memory seating. Bose Performance Series audio, your 4x4 integrated chiller mode, driving modes, your headlights, fog lights, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, paddle shifters on the backside now as well. Truck has 7 kilometers on it. It is a brand new AT4 with us here. We have push-button ignition, the big button, brand new. You have over 13 inches of touchscreen. Now running the Google operating system with Google Maps, Play Store, Google Assistant. We still have the Android Auto and Apple Carplay. You do have the shifter now as the center dial here. Nice and easy, freeing up some space. Integrated chiller braking system, wireless charging, tons of storage throughout. Dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seating. All of the necessities you'd expect out of a trim level of this trim. You have parking sensors, auto stop start, lane keep assist, all black interior with that redesigned going through the 2022 years. Bose audio and those beautiful black leather heated and ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. We have the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires taking over for the Duratrax, the new tire from Goodyear. Color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 6.2 liter V8 plaque. That is all the same as previous year. We do have the factory 2-inch lift up front still with the AT4, giving you room for those big wheel and tire packages. Now to the good stuff up front, the redesigned front bumper, grille, and headlights. That massive GMC AT4 badged grille with a camera system, parking sensors, red recovery hooks. We do have the LED fog lights relocated all the way down there as well. And those are beautiful GMC LED headlights that flow with the body so beautifully. Blacked out window trim, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. Truck does have remote start. At the back, again, color matched rear bumper. Dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, GMC Sierra AT4 badging, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated. Car has in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, and a black headliner over top with LED lighting, extra headroom, and a single pane sunroof. Dual USB ports, rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed from the factory. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video in the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.